Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to show you some awesome features of the Note app for your Optoma Creative Touch interactive flat panel. That's right, Optoma Technology, a world leader in 4K display technology, is introducing interactive flat panels, or IFPs for short, in 3 easy-to-use sizes. Perfect for the classroom and boardroom alike. Anywho, let's check out those Note app features. Power on the Creative Touch IFP and open the Note app. So let's say you're a teacher and you want to simulate a chalkboard or whiteboard. Select the menu on the left, then Background. Let's start with a white background, but up close here, it's very bright. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you'll get the Creative Touch IFP's main menu. To avoid eye strain, turn on low blue light. That's better, but I think I'd rather simulate a chalkboard instead. So back to the menu and background again, and I'm going to use a green screen. So here you can have all of your lecture notes, you can put up the Wi-Fi information, course information, really anything you could possibly want on your chalkboard. And if you catch an error in your notes, you can simply erase with the side or palm of your hand. You can also use the Select Erase tool for specific larger areas, or the Clear Page to erase everything. Oh no, didn't want to erase everything? Don't cry, just hit the undo button. Okay, let's create a new slide and say we're doing a lesson on geometric shapes. As you can see, I can draw a pretty mean cube. But if I want it to be perfect, I can just use the Shapes tool and grab the cube under the 3D Shapes tab. The Note app for your Creative Touch IFP has a couple of really neat tools to help with viewing versatility. We can use the Select tool to move the shape up or rotate it if necessary. We can also use the Zoom tool to make our shape bigger. As you can see, I already have several pre-made slides here. Let's say I want to share them with students or collaborators. We have several ways to share. My favorite is the QR code share. Simply tap the QR code button at the bottom left and a QR code will generate. Now anyone can come up to the Creative Touch IFP, scan the QR code, and have access to all the slides we have in the current project right from their mobile device. The Note app can also export to local storage or a USB drive, email the slides, or even directly upload to the cloud storage of your choice. And those are some of the cooler features for the Creative Touch IFP Note app. Stay tuned for more Creative Touch IFP tutorials to come, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you'll never miss out on anything we post, and don't forget to visit us at optoma.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.